You know it's the weekend when you wake up to the smell of mom cheesy pancakes. They're the best! We start by cracking 2 organic eggs. My mom gets them from the farm. And honestly, they mostly come with double yolks. Next, add 2 tablespoons of plain or Greek yogurt. And mix the eggs and the yogurt together until they're smooth and completely combined. Now, add a 1/4 cup of milk and mix for a bit. Then, add 5 tablespoons of flour and mix very well until all the flour disappears. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Finally, add 2 handfuls of mozzarella cheese. Personally, I would add the whole bag if it was up to me. And mix it all again. Since those double yolks made the batter a bit loose, my mom just fixed it with an extra tablespoon of flour to get it perfectly thick. To cook, grab a pan and set it over medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Scoop the mixture into the pan and shape it into a circle. Fry each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until you see the top start to bubble. Now, just look at that! Isn't that tempting? We served ours with maple syrup and blueberry jam, and they were all gone before my mom even turned off the stove.